Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the TRM Atom DLC coated 20CV steel 3D carbon fiber scales, titanium liners, pretty looking good. And we're gonna try to see if we can improve the already fantastic dialed in detent crazy action on washer for this fella. But hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what do you guys think about my videos. I don't know, I'm curious to hear your feedback and to engage in a nice conversation with you. So let me know if you want to see anything else, what you like, what you don't like, just let me know. It's gonna be fun, guys. So we're gonna need another T6 here. That was a T8 for the pivot. We're gonna tackle these scales. So T6 a little bit tiny, but this is a pretty thin knife, like really thin. Not like the Neutron, which was a little bit like flexing too much. This is nicer, nicely done. You see the liners are inset, so it's very good. We're gonna do also, is it T5? No, it's also T6, but tiny, guys. So be careful when you do this operation here. And that is 1, and that is 2, right here. And that is the 3rd screw, which were pretty tight, I have to say. And now just release the tension from the blade, wiggle a little bit the liner, which has a nice stone wash finish. And there we go, boom, just comes off with the 1, 2, and 3. Look at that, that was pretty lucky. Standoffs flying all over the place. We're gonna get that cleaned in a second, so grab a little bit of rubbing alcohol, like a microfiber cloth, something you can use to clean off the parts. Here we go. So phosphorus bronze washers are right over here, super thin, crazy thin stock. This is a slicer, nice flat grind, guys. And there you have the blade cleaned up, the scale is all cleaned up, D-shaped keyed in pivot, pretty good. And here we are going to push the pivot out and just clean all this area, and the pivot can just go back in. So pretty easy work. Then we put back the washer. So for this one, I'm just gonna use some 85 weight nano oil, like look at this, like 2 drops, and just like half of a drop on the detent. And then you got your blade in, and then you got your other washer in, like so. And then we're gonna do this because that has to go. So this is going here. So let's see, we're gonna do these 3 screws with the 3 standoffs, like so. And let's see if I can manage like that. And just to hold this guy in this position, this just I'm just gonna center the liner with the stop pin, and then I'm just gonna hold it like that, you see, and just do 1 gently, and we're gonna do everything in a second. So now this is keyed in, it's in, so I'm just gonna release the pressure, sandwich everything in. All right, just gonna hold it down like so, and now I'm just gonna tighten this guy a little bit more. Don't force this because these screws are tiny, but this is enough. All right, so we got that in. Blade's already, like, look, you press that, blade's already centered, and that's pretty good. It's a good sign. It's very well made, I have to say. Now the scale goes back in. You switch, no, we don't switch anything. We're just gonna screw back in these two little fellas like that. And then just swap the bit, take the T8, grab a little bit of blue Loctite, coat your thread like that. Maybe it's a little bit too much. That is enough. Here you go. And then this guy goes in. Just screw that to the end like that. And let's see. Way too tight. Way too tight. So let's just do like this. That's way too loose. There you go. So let's bring the blade in center. Maybe we can do a little bit less tight. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yes, yes. No blade play. Maybe we can do a little bit less. Let's see. Yes, it's still good, guys. Woohoo! Look at this guy. I mean, the detent on this thing is dialed in so nicely. Like, yeah. Let me see, like, yeah, yeah, yeah. That's very good. Like, it just flies open. This is, look at this. Yeah. Very nice. So there you have it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.